final moments before death, the human brain releases a surge of chemicals. Some compare it to a powerful hallucinogen, a last dose of peace, a way to protect you from what's coming. But what if it's not just comfort? What if that flood creates something, a place, a reality, built not from light, but from memory? Some scientists believe the mind doesn't shut down right away. It keeps firing for minutes, maybe longer, and in that time, it builds a world. Not a heaven, not hell, just the place you are always afraid to return to. If that's true, then death isn't silence. It's the beginning of something else. Something you can't escape.
They say the brain keeps working after the heart stops. What if that's the real afterlife? Not clouds, not fire, just the parts of you you never wanted to face. If this isn't heaven or hell, maybe that's good. Maybe I don't need angels. I just need it to stop hurting.
Why did you do it, Victor? You had a daughter. She needed you. She waited for you. Do you want to hear her voice? The last thing she said?
Wake up, Dad! Wake up, Dad! Please.
What's your biggest fear, Victor? You can't talk? Nothing to say now?
Where are you, my little Victor? Come on, let me in. Don't make this harder than it has to be. You know I hate when you hide.
You got me feeling like I'm on